Hello and welcome to Verde Mare, which means green sea. But in fact, it was named after the swimming pool, which we're going to see later. I don't want to give too much away. Today, we're really going to be delving into this incredible property. And there's a couple of surprises in there and reasons that make this property so incredible. So what I want you to do is I want you to stay with me, follow me through, and let's get started. So as we enter the property, I'm sure some of you have already noticed, this isn't your typical white box. This really is luxury. It's been designed by one of the best architects in the whole of Spain, Liz Maldorejo, who's managed to get stone, wood, glass, lush gardens, 2 entrances, 3 car parking spaces set over 3 floors and over 500 square meters of interior. And yet we're just a stroll from the beach. But still, I have another little secret as to who owns this house and why it's so important. But I'm going to save that to the end. Come on through, let me show you the house. So forgive me for going into too much detail, but I don't even think we have enough time to go into all the details and all the intricacies of this home. But as we walk through this incredible, thick, wooden and metal door, which is a real attention to detail that we don't see anymore, we can even look in our first space here. Now, this whole house has had an interior design by Ambience Homes, one of the best known here on the coast and actually in Spain. But such a small space looks such quality, and here we have something I've never seen before. What is this? Is this a wardrobe? Is it a secret space? It is the most luxurious guest toilet I've ever seen. Silk walls are lining here, silk. And we have this huge marble sink. And as we come out of the guest toilet, we're not finished yet, because either side we also have 2 huge cupboards for, I don't know, jackets or jumpers or shoes or whatever you need. Now remember, we're only just in the hallway. There's over 500 square meters, over 3 floors, and we've got a lot to do today, guys, so stay with me. Let's go through. So whether this is a permanent residence or maybe it's a holiday home, a house like this deserves an incredible kitchen, and I think you'll agree this is something special. We've got mueble, white goods, and for those of you in the know, this is one of the best you can have on earth. You have massive fridges, loads of storage room. In fact, more storage room than I've ever seen in most kitchens. You have this impressive, I would call it a bar area and an island, because realistically, you could use it as a bar area. But also it's the way the property flows. Now we are going to go through how this property flows, but it's all the natural light that you have. Throughout this presentation, I really want to get you into the mindset of being on holiday or living here permanently. It's January at the moment and it's about 21 degrees. We've woken up in the morning, we want to have breakfast. So where do we go? Well, you can choose a lot of spaces, but here we have this very special breakfast area just outside. So for those really hot days, and remember we have 320 sunny days a year, where you want to get a bit of respite from the sun, you have this stunning breakfast area. Really big enough for the whole family, and it's set aside very quiet again. And there's the rear entrance. As I said, there's 2 entrances, 3 parking spaces, and well, everything else you could imagine in this luxurious, chic home. So indulge me for a moment. I really like to get into the psyche of, if I were here, what would I use this property for with my friends or my family? Now, we've already discussed the massive storage space in this incredible kitchen, but imagine we're having a dinner party. I think you'll agree this is a pretty spectacular table and an amazing area to dine. However, what you haven't seen is this incredible skylight. I've never seen a property more bathed in natural light. And of course, if you have 10 friends or 10 family, this is the perfect area to not only dine, but see the stunning gardens. And I'm going to show you how stunning they really are. So as we exit to the garden, we see these huge double glazed all the way to the floor, massive windows that slide all the way back. It gives you that sense of indoor-outdoor living. Because when you're in Spain, of course, you're outdoors all the time to enjoy the sun. So now one of my favorite places in any home, of course, we're in Spain for the sun. This garden is over 900 square meters, and I think they've used the space in the best possible way. On your left here, you'll be having a barbecue with friends. On your right, you could be reading the paper, or out here taking the sun. So the name Verde Mare is actually a color, and it's the color of the tiles in the swimming pool, which give it a kind of a green tinge, hence the word verde, which is Spanish for green. Another feature I really love about this property is in between these two real olive trees. I don't suggest you eat them, but these two real olive trees, you can have a nice little seating space and maybe enjoy some wine or champagne, or in this case, some orange juice. So whether enjoying the sun or enjoying a nice mimosa by the side of this stunning pool with this lovely, luxurious soft grass and the amazing outdoor areas, you have to do one thing for me. Close your eyes just for a second and listen. You hear that? Nothing. And that's what makes this place so special. There's no one overlooking you. You're not near any noisy bars or streets. You feel like you could be anywhere in the world. You could be a million miles into the country, and you could be maybe on an island somewhere. You really are in your own private oasis. Now remember, as a location, you're only a couple of steps from the lovely sandy beaches of Marbella, which are so close. I mean, we're talking 8 kilometers to the town center of Marbella, and only a few clicks right to one of the most beautiful ports that we have, called Capopino. So when I say we're centrally located, I'm really talking about the fact that within a few minutes, you're everywhere. So why Marbella? Well, it's January. It's over 20 degrees. Honestly, I should be in shorts and a t-shirt here. In fact, I could sit here all day if I really could and if I really had the time, but unfortunately, I don't. Now, the thing about Marbella is, and it's very important to note this, is the reason why Marbella is constantly, year on year, the most popular destination for people to buy abroad is because we have 320 sunny days a year. And why is that? It's because of the mountains behind us. They're the Sierra Bermeja Mountains. They literally act as a natural barrier. You're flying through Spain and it goes cloud, 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 stop. And what does that mean? It means we have this microclimate. In summer, in August, on a 35-degree day, only a few, maybe an hour and a half, 2 hours maximum to Sevilla or Cordoba, the other end. It can be 50 degrees, but here it's only 35. And right now it's 20 odd degrees. And if you were to go there, it would be much colder. So we have the perfect climate. It's no wonder it's called the Costa del Sol, which means the coast of the sun. We have over 55 golf courses. And of course, people like to play golf in the sun. So that's why we're here. It's easy to get to. We have the best climate. And in this particular case, we're right next to Marbella. And let me tell you something, that Engel Völkers really set out the best properties that are the closest to the city centres. Remember, that name, Marbella, that address is what gives this home such value. Cultural centres, skiing, you can have Atlantic Ocean, everything is within a very short distance. Now this property happens to have it all because of its location. And we will go into that in more detail as we move through the house. But for now, why don't you follow me? So before I show you this impressive living space, I want to point out these floors. They're huge porcelainic tiles. You can see here, this is an unusual size, and they're all underfloor heated. In fact, it's underfloor heated throughout the entire house. Not that you're going to need it, of course, because we're in Spain. I really love this fireplace. In fact, I love all double-sided fireplaces. But you can see it's flush here, it's modern. You have a huge TV, of course, for a very large area, but not an overwhelmingly large area. And as I said, it's the best architect, but it's also the best interior designer, Ambience Homes. And the way they've managed to make this home flow, but still feel somehow cozy. Cove lighting, of course, air conditioning, hot and cold, and as I say, underfloor heating, loads of light. It really is a very comfortable space to be. Before we go to this incredible master suite, I want to talk about the distribution of this house. Other than the huge open spaces that we've seen, where are the bedrooms? We've got 2 downstairs, we've got 2 upstairs, and we have this one enormous master suite, which I'm about to show you. Come with me. So before we enter this incredible suite, I'm going to stop at this picture because this is going to be a bit of a history lesson about Marbella for those of you who think it's a party town that's just sprung out of nowhere. In the 1950s, there was a prince called Alfonso Hohenlohe. I hope I pronounced that correctly. He was driving along in a Rolls Royce, which never broke down, by the way, but his did. And when it broke down, so impressed was he that he built the Marbella Club. Then he invited all his celebrity friends and royalty, and it became the celebrity jewel that it is today. And this picture actually depicts the 1950s version of it. It was taken by Slim's Aaron. I really want this for my home. That is the history of Marbella in one photograph. Anyway, enough nostalgia. Let's check out this incredible master suite. So welcome to the master suite. In fact, it's not a master suite, it's a master floor. The entire floor is just one suite. And I personally feel like that's the best way. It's your own space. And of course you have these huge windows that open up and make you feel like you're living indoors and outdoors with its impressive wraparound terrace where you see the sea and the greenery and that silence. But remember, I said this is a master floor. And I'm going to show you one of the most impressive closets you've ever seen. Follow me. Now I know this is going to be some people's favorite space. It certainly is mine, right or wrong. You have a boudoir, you have lovely shelves, and you have this incredible walk-in closet. Oop. Another terrace as well, as if we don't have enough. And of course, with a property like this, we need an incredible master ensuite. One of the many features, and there are so many, that I love about this house are these cascading showers in all the bathrooms. But this one has this lovely freestanding stone bath. And I love the understated marble style sinks. But when I talk about size, I'm not messing around here. Just to put it into perspective, this entire suite is over 90 square meters. That is the size of a large 2-bedroom luxury property. But just as we thought it couldn't get any better, I'm going to show you something pretty damn incredible. Follow me. So this secret terrace or secret room is, and I'm just eyeing this up here, could be about 40, 50 square meters, still with the sea views. But if you close this in glass, what could it be? What could you use this space for? It's huge. Could it be a gym? Could it be a bar? Could it be, I mean, let your mind wander. This is your space, and it's still in this massive ensuite. That's impressive. You still get those sea views too. So first of all, before I start telling you about the buying costs and purchases and why you should buy not only this home, but with us, with the most trusted real estate agent, I would like you to do me a little favor. I'd like you to subscribe and I'd like you to like. That would really, really help us. Thank you. Anyway, on to the purchase. Now, first of all, the house. What makes this house so special? I did promise you there was a little surprise at the end. And in fact, let's play a game. See if you can guess how much this house is worth. And maybe at the end, we might tell you, and you might be close. I can't promise I'm going to give it to you as a gift, of course. Now, having this particular style of home does not come out of nowhere. It comes from 20 years experience from a company that has 800 offices worldwide in only the luxury sector. That means we've seen enough clients and we understand the needs that we would put our own money into building this masterpiece. Every single thing that we've seen today is all by design. It's all been asked for at some point, and all that information has been gathered and put together into one home. And yes, this home was actually built by the director of Engel Völkers here in Marbella, and that's why this is such a special property. But one thing I will tell you is this is a seller's market. It's not a buyer's market. Right now, in my 22 years of selling property, I've never seen a market that's stronger. Properties are selling because we have more buyers than we have sellers of quality. And this is way beyond quality. Think about it. Now I know what most of you are thinking. That's an incredible house, and it really is. I mean, look at these views, look at this peaceful greenery, protected trees. And in fact, I hate to say it, but as stunning as this house is in the daytime, wait till you see it at nighttime. And as we enter the lower level, we come to two huge rooms, both with en-suites, still with those wonderful cascading showers in both. You still have natural light here, you still have windows, you don't feel like you're enclosed. But this suite, you'd be forgiven for thinking is the master suite. In fact, in most homes, it would be huge glass sliding doors with an enormous en-suite bathroom. You see, absolutely stunning and so quiet and peaceful. Thank you so much for joining me today. I've really had such a blast, and I hope you've enjoyed this luxury, incredible chic property. If you did love it as much as I do, make sure to contact Engel Völkers today to come and see it. And don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. And as I always say, keep the dream alive, because one day you're going to be here with us in sunny Marbella, and I look forward to meeting you.